Papel ng Special Envoy sa transnational crime. Very familiar po kami sa PCTC kasi yung batas niyan na kami ang nag-akda. Ang tanong ko lamang, ano ba ang papel ng Special Envoy? Kasi
Special
dati kayo
Envoy po
din ay
natin,
Special Envoy.
the good ambassador is a representative of our country in several representing the interest of the Philippines. He has, to a certain extent, diplomatic stature, and
ambassador nga ang titulo po ninyo.
Totoo po yun.
Ambassador ka rin?
Nung araw po, nung araw.
General Alcantara,
Opo.
ambassador rin po ang
Opo. Nung araw po ay ako'y ambassador din at concurrent in charge of PCTC.
Kasi ang pagkaintindi ko, hiwalay yung
Magkahiwalay
Special
po,
Envoy.
magkahiwalay.
Hindi siya directly under PCTC.
Special Envoy po ay nakakatulong sa akin dahil nababawasan po yung trabaho ko to represent our country.
Para hindi ka biyahe ng biyahe.
Medyo totoo po yan, totoo yun.
Okay, so Ambassador, hindi kasi namin masyadong kabisado yung posisyon ninyo. Saan ang opisina ninyo?
Madam Chair, ang office ho namin, the same with the PCTC kami. Paliwanag ko lang ho ng short yung opisina din ho namin. Ang Special Envoy ho for Transnational Crime, ang Philippine Center of Transnational Crime, which is the Interpol NCV Manila, sila po yung aming secretariat at yung operational partner.
So may opisina po kayo? Wala nang tauhan nyo?
If I'm not mistaken, around 15.
And then kasama ninyo sa pag-representar sa Pilipinas sa iba't ibang lugar?
Opo.
So kung hindi sa ilalim ng PCTC ang Special Envoy kayo?
Sorry, Madam Chair.
Hindi naman kayo PCTC. So aling department kayo? DFA?
Hindi po. Ang amin pong opisina, OSETC and PCTC are all under the Office of the President.
Pero hiwalay kasi hindi naman kayo under the PCTC, ano?
Hindi po. Ang PCTC po ang aming secretariat. Sila po yung operational arm namin.
What are the functions? Like you said earlier, in different fora, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I see. What is the role that you actually played in the arrest of PRRD and his transport to The Hague? Anong papel po ninyo yung pangalan ninyo sa resibo at yung pag-turnover? Staff, ipakita lamang. Ito, yung transfer of custody, surrender and transfer. Andyan po. At kayo po ang nakapirma. At alam ito ni Secretary Senator. Bakit kayo ang nakapirma? Ano po yung papel ninyo ron?
Ganito po yan. Ma'am, I was there to oversee the smooth arrest of the former president. Now,
so, nandun kayo sa Villamor?
Makikita nyo naman po dun sa mga videos na lumabas.
Hindi ko po maalala kasi hindi ko kilala yung mga taong doon.
Ngayon, doon naman po.
Senator Pato, please.
Since when naging function ng Special Envoy yung pag-oversee ng operations ng pag-aresto? I'm sure, Special Envoy ka, trabaho mo is outside. Envoy ka doon para mag-represent. Pero when it comes to operational matters, kailan naging trabaho mo yung pag-oversee ng operations?
Hindi po ako nag-oversee ng operations. Yun lang kung sitwasyon dahil ang PCTC ay ang aming secretariat.
Not even the PCTC, I suppose. Because PCTC is, sila lang nagkukontrol ng NCB.
Yes,
diba?
Opo.
O sila nagkukontrol ng secretariat.
Opo. Pero sila po yung secretariat namin.
Pagdating sa Interpol, halimbawa, ganito, meron tayong assembly ng Interpol. Sino nag-head of delegation?
PCTC.
PCTC?
PCTC.
Ikaw, General Marbil, hindi ka pa ba nag-attend ng national, yung General Assembly ng Interpol?
Sir, umattend po last year po.
Last year?
Opo.
So, sinong head of delegation?
Ang nandun po si General Alcantara pong kasama po namin.
Si PNP, lahat ng ang head of delegation, yung Chief PNP. Tapos, head of delegation ng ibang bansa, yung uniform talaga na police agency ng kanilang lugar. Kaya yun yung alam ko Kasi yung PCTC naman is NCB lang ito. Sila yung NCB. Pero pag when you say police agency, Chief PNP talaga ang head niya, di ba? At nagkakaroon ng General Assembly, kayo ang nandoon, di ba?
Actually, sir, dun sa country, sir, ang ang police lang ang isa lang po ang law enforcement nila. So ang usually ang the head is the chief ng National Police nila. But in
Correct.
in our country we have so many law enforcement agencies. The Philippine National Police, of course, ang kasama po namin imigran.
Kaya nga
Kasi makita mo, di ba? Pag Interpol General Assembly, naghawak kamayan lahat ng mga chief ng puro uniformado yan eh. Puro mga chief ng police agency nila, di ba?
Kaya nakakagulat sa dinami-dami ng police agency, General Alcantara, sa NBI, si Chief PNP, sabi rin ni General Torre, bakit biglang civilian at hindi kasali sa law enforcement ang nag-oversee ng oversee?
Ma'am, kasi nga ang aming PCTC is our partner PCTC. Which is
Oversee them?
Which is the Interpol NCB Manila.
Madam Chair.
Teka muna, nalilito ako, di ba, nandun ka? Bakit alam mo nang itatangay sa ibang bansa?
Hindi po.
Anong ginagawa mo doon? Na-serve na, nabigay na yung kopya sa lahat. Anong ginagawa mo doon? Anong ginabangan mo?
I was there to assist the executive director, ma'am.
Was the executive director in Villamor?
Naroon po ako. I was in the plane and I was in the 250 in Villamor.
Even without a red notice, nandun na kayo.
I had a red diffusion po.
Yes, but the
I had a
diffusion, we have
copy.
already said ad infinitum that this is not an arrest warrant, di ba?
Yes,
Paliwanag na yun.
tama
Ikaw
po yan,
nagpaliwanag
tama po.
O di,
We had the red diffusion. I had to...
request for information lang, di ba?
Hindi po. Ang red diffusion po is a request, is an international request for international cooperation or an alert. Ang red notice po ay ganon. Ang diffusion po ay ganon din. Pareho lang po.
Ganun nga. Kaya nga, ang
Yung diffusion po is resorted to if there is urgency, importance, element of time, kaya po nagiging diffusion.
hindi, ang liwanag naman, action
Opo.
to be taken, locate lang locate lang and possibly arrest with a view to extradition. So, mahaba pang proseso.
Ma'am, can I
pero,
clarify?
Yes.
Clarify lang, factual lang, Ambassador Lacanlao. So, you were there to oversee.
Yes,
You when you say there, you were in Villamor.
the airport.
Okay.
The airport.
Then, did you accompany them on the plane?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr. Senator.
And then, did you stay in the Netherlands?
Yes, I stayed there for 2 days.
Okay, and hindi mo alam na dadalhin siya doon?
Hindi po. Can I make a clarification? That time,
Pwede ko lang itanong, isang hirit lang. Wala ka sa binigay ni General Alcantara yung mga nabigyan ng diffusion notice, ano? Wala ka doon sa listahan ng NBI, Chief PNP, wala ka doon sa listahan. Paano man nalaman?
I was informed informally by Executive Director Alcantara.
So you were also there informally. You had no formal function at the Villamor or the airport sites?
I was there to oversee, ma'am, lang the PCTC. Hanggang PCTC lang po ako. Yun lang po yung aking...
Can I clarify that?
Yes.
So, sabi mo kanina, you were there to oversee. I'll clarify what oversee means. But sabi mo, hindi mo alam na dadalhin siya sa Hague. Pero yet, sumakay ka ng aeroplano, sumama ka, you stayed in the Hague 2 days.
Yes.
And sabi mo, hindi ka alis, nandun ka lang.
Okay, can I
Yes,
explain,
yes.
Mr. Senator? That time ho kasi, the members or the staff of the Interpol NCV Manila, wala hong available na mga kasamahan natin doon na may passport. So, I volunteered, Mr. Senator. I just want to make clear.
Magsiserve
So,
lang
if you-
kayo ng diffusion? May dala ka pang passport?
Hindi po. Hindi
So,
po.
Sasabi mo lang yung iba walang passport. Ikaw lang yung...
Opo.
Kaya alam mo na itatangay sa ibang bansa.
Hindi po. Yung passport po, nasa sasakyan ko lang parati eh. So, kagagaling ko lang po kasi ng Geneva. Kakauwi ko lang ho ng Geneva that time. So, kaya ho yung passport ko, nasa sasakyan ko lang. Hindi pa ho ako nakakapag-unload.
Okay. I was gonna ask that na kung hindi mo alam na dadalhin doon pero sumama kayo sa 2 days tapos may passport ka but nasa kotse mo passport, okay. But you volunteered to accompany why?
To accompany the former president.
Kailangan, what was the reason? Sabi mo, what?
Wala pong passport that time, yung mga PCTC
Okay.
members, ma'am, na
Okay.
supposed to be sasama din that time. Wala hong silang available noon.
Representative of the PCTC.
Yes.
Were you appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
PCTC, Your
So
Honor.
can the on that day?
Yes, sir.
So buuin natin kayo lang mga militar at pulis nakakaintindi ng 3-4 na letra Yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yun. If I check with Interpol, so kung today pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
yun po sabi niya
So, but you're saying it's
Ito
not.
nga maintindihan.
So hindi niyo po
Napansin ko na rin
no.
po kasi he's
Yeah.
a competent authority.
Yeah, no, let's
Tama.
you're under oath, sir.
You're
Did
under
you
oath.
as
The good ambassador
representative
is a competent authority to represent us.
But you did
Yes.
not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a
Appointing
competent.
authority.
Hindi
You're
ka
not
appointing
appointing,
authority.
okay.
Klaro po yun. Executive Order 265, saan sa buong executive order na nagtatakda na magkaroon ng special envoy, sinasabi na meron kang papel para kasi ang mabasa
Hindi po.
katulad ni Senator Cayetano
Madam Chair, yun nga po yung relasyon ho namin ng OSCE and PCTC, sila yung aming Secretariat and Operational.
sekretarya lang ninyo, siya pang appointing ninyo.
Hindi po,
Parang ang
hindi-
gulo.
hindi po.
Boss ba ninyo yan or utusan?
Hindi po, clear ko lang ho. Kasi that time, wala hong available na members ng PCTC anang may passport noon. So, kaya ho sinabi ko kanina, I volunteered para ho i-accompany ang former president of the PCTC.
Okay, ma'am, can I clarify? I'm not going into the supervision, your appointment as special envoy because depende sa presidente, pwedeng iba, di ba? Kahit presidential advisor, special advisor on justice, then it's between the president, Secretary Remulla, etc. Ang focus ko doon sa ikaw ang representative ng Interpol. Kasi sabi mo, yes, ang sabi po ni Secretary Alcantara, hindi kanya in-appoint. So, sino nag-appoint sa'yo bilang representative ng Interpol?
PCTC.
May I clarify?
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Senator. Kasi traditionally, ang executive director is also the envoy. Ngayon, pinaghiwalay po yung posisyon. Yung ginawa po ng Malacanang, hiniwalay po yung posisyon ng special envoy at ng executive director. Pero dati ho, isa lang yan.
Yeah. Doon, Sec, sabi kasi ni Ambassador, siya daw ang representative ng Interpol that day ng Pilipinas.
Yung pagpaalis mo pagpunta ho ng The Hague, siya po yung representative talaga ng Interpol. Kasi siya lang ho yung may connection sa PCTC.
But I was asking, who appointed him representative of Interpol?
Sa kanyang appointment.
But he said before that day, hindi siya ang representative ng Interpol.
Pero ano ito kasi yung overseeing function niya, oversight function, is, kasi parang may oversight po siya sa PCTC. I think we take it from there na siya rin po yung responsible for the PCTC. Kasi nga ano ho yan Sabi ko nga, magkasama ho dati ang posisyon na executive director tsaka envoy. Si General Alcantara used to be the special envoy and executive director.
And then the representative ng Interpol.
Interpol.
And exercising oversight powers. Bago lang yun.
Hindi, dati ho isang tao lang nga
Wala
Ginawa
Wala
na
sa
ho, dalawa.
Executive Order 265. Parang above and beyond na sa...
Hindi, special ho yan.
Ma'am, just to point.
The executive has the
So
power
when
to
he
do that.
signed, when you signed dito sa ICC, you were signing as what?
As the Interpol NCB Manila representative, Your
Ang
Honor.
nakalagay po dito, you're signing as in behalf of the Republic of the Philippines, not as Interpol.
Kasi po nung that time, yung representative ng ICC na kausap ko, naka-print na po yung,
Yeah, so,
yung government. So,
Sir,
but it
are you a
was-
college graduate?
Yes, sir.
Pag pinapirma ka, tapos mali, kahit printed, you'd cross it out. Then you would put, so pag nakalagay doon, Alang Cayetano, congressman, pipirma ko, o i-cross out ko yung congressman, lalagay ko senator. Kung nakalagay doon, Alang Cayetano, single, may asawa na ako, hindi ako papagalitan ng asawa ko, kung hindi ko i-cross out, lalagay ko doon na ano. Diba, so why did you sign in behalf of the Philippine government if you weren't representing the government and you were representing Interpol?
Medyo mataas na ho kasi yung ano noon pagod na din kami. Tapos ang request ng ICC staff that time nagre-request sila na kunin na ng medical team. Hindi ho kasi ma-perform yung medical assistance to the former president. Yun ho yung dahilan yan.
Ang dahilan, pagod kayo?
Hindi po, nagkakagulo na din ho nun. Mataas na din po yung sitwasyon.
Pakisabi ng totoo.
Opo,
We are
ma'am.
all under oath.
Yes, ma'am. Ang mataas na rin.
Paliwanag mong maigi, representative ka ba ng Pilipinas or representative ng Interpol? Pipili ka lang.
Nirepresent ko po ang Interpol NCB Manila.
So mali itong papel na to. Sabihin mo sa akin.
Yun hong...
Kasi nag-iiba. Isa sinungaling, isa totoo.
Yun hong clear ho sa
ma'am,
ICC.
Pwede ko linawin lang.
Hindi, siguro hayaan muna natin. Hayaan natin na ipaliwanag. Alam naman niya
Alam ho kasi ng malinaw ho sa pag-uusap namin ng ICC staff na I represent the Interpol NCB Manila.
Pero hindi maliwanag dito sa nakasulat. Government of the Republic of the Philippines.
It's part of the government, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Hindi, Interpol Sabi niya, nandun siya bilang Interpol
Ma'am, Madam Chair, the Interpol NCB Manila, it's under the Philippine government.
Sorry, Mama. Kasi if that's your interpretation, then the government will cooperate with ICC.
In the surrender.
Diba? No, I'm not trying to trap you. I'm trying to understand. When you do something, you can do it in different capacities. So, international organization, yon. So, for example, Sarah here was the regional director for the International Organization on Migration, but she's a Filipino. Now, if she was special envoy noon, she has to say which a UN body, or at least a UN-recognized organization. The other one is Philippine government. So, di ba, hindi pwedeng you're signing. Ang problema kasi yung sabi mo, malinaw sa ICC at malinaw sa akin, Interpol. Pero ang pirma mo, in behalf of the government. Kasi ang masusunod yung dokumentong pirma mo. Di ba? So kung ang sabi natin, listo, naintindihan mo, naintindihan ko, pinirmahan natin sale. O pagdating sa korte, ano unang impression mo? It's a sale.
Opo.
Because yun ang pinirmahan nyo. Di ba? So kaya nga pagdating dito, there are many other questions like yung sinabi ko sa inyong number 8, was he brought, did the person receive legal assistance during national proceeding? Ikaw nagsabing he received legal assistance during national proceeding. What was that proceeding?
No, Your Honor, Mr.
Ambassador,
Senator.
ang dami-dami mong pinirmahan dito tungkol sa immediate family, tungkol sa legal counsel, lahat to sinang-ayunan mo. Lahat ito hindi totoo.
Hindi po.
Kasi pagod na po kayo.
Hindi po. Kung maaari ho ma-explain ko. Una ho, yung tinatanong nyo regarding ho dun sa... Kasi that time, I was waiting for the official certification from the Department. So, medyo internet that time. So, yung yan ho yung sinulat nila. Yun naman ang sinagot ko. So nung after few minutes nag-request ako ng internet na print, binigay ko sa ICC yung certification from the Department of Justice.
Sino nagsulat niyan? Kaninong handwriting yan? Kasi parang naiba sa sulat mo.
Ma'am, sa ICC, ma'am.
Tapos pinirmahan mo na lang yung sinulat ng ICC.
Pinakikita naman yan kami ng...
So sang-ayon kayo sa lahat ng sinulat?
Opo, ma'am.
Ganon. So yun yung papel mo doon? Ano pa yung ginampanan mong papel? Kasi sabi mo, sinamahan at yan ang pinirmahan mo bilang kinatawan ng ating pamahalaan Ano pa yung iba pang papel mo? Ano pang ginampanan
Wala na
mong
po.
papel?
Wala na po, ma'am.
Pero nagdalawang araw ka pa rin.
Nag-aantay kasi doon din kami sumakay sa same plane pabalik po ng Pilipinas.
Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator Bato, nagugulat lang ako na speechless ako. Dineliver ninyo, pero hindi ninyo alam? Paano hindi ninyo
Hindi po,
alam?
alam po namin, ma'am, regarding dun sa ICC. Ang hindi ko po, balikan ko ho yung unang pag-uusap, kaya hindi alam. Nung unang pagdating sa airport, totally wala po akong alam nung pagdating ko sa airport. Naiya.
Sa naiya.
Opo.
Madam Chair?
Yes, Senator Bato.
Pwede mo laman, Ambassador, kung kailan ka appoint as special envoy sa national crime?
July 2024, Mr. Senator.
Gusto ko lang tignan yung pinirmahan mo kasi maraming kabulastugan dito. Hindi ko maintindihan. Yung number 8, kung maipakita sa screen. The date, time, and location of